Hello everyone. In this video, we're going to look at how to calculate a bond price issued at par. Bonds are issued at par when the coupon rate is the same as the market or effective interest rate. So a company decides to sell $100,000 of a 3-year bonds. The bonds pay annual interest, so this is annually once a year with a contract rate of 12% when the effective interest rate is also 12%. So you see that the bonds, the coupon shows 12% and the market rate is also 12%. So they're the same. Determine the selling price of the bond at the time of the issuance. Okay, so the bonds, the face value is 100,000. Okay, the coupon rate is 12%. The market is also 12%. And we are going to have 3 periods. And the interest payment to the bond holders is going to be based on the coupon rate. So 12% times $100,000. $12,000 will be paid to the bondholders every year. Okay, so the face value, the company will have to pay back the bonds at the end of year 3, so 100,000. Okay, and then the interest payment will be $12,000 every year. There is no interest payment now. The first interest payment will be 1 year from now. Okay, so the total cash flows, I just add these two. So that's the total cash flow. We pay interest 12, we pay interest 12, we pay interest 12, and pay back the face value 100,000. So total at the end of year 3 is 112,000. The discount factor equals 1 divided by 1 plus 12% to the power of t. Okay, there is no discounting at present time. Okay, and then you multiply the cash flows by the discount factor. Okay, and then the bond price will be the sum. You add all those numbers, the discounted cash flows, and you see that the bond price is going to be the same as the face value. That's what we call the bonds are issued at par, at the face value for $100,000. Now, because you're not going to use Excel, you're going to have to use the table. Okay, now look at this. There are two types of time value of money here. This is the lump sum for $100,000. So we have to use the present value table. And this is the annuity. The interest is an annuity, a series of equal payments. So you have to use this $12,000. You have to use the present value annuity table. Okay, so the principal 100,000, the interest is 12,000. Okay, and we're going to use 3 years, 12%. 12% and 3 years is 0.7118. So I just copy that. And I multiply. Okay. And then the present value annuity table will be used for the annuity interest. 12%. Oh, we need to move it to 3 years. So this one, 2.418. Okay, 3 years, not 4 years. Okay, and then you multiply that by the $12,000. So when you add these two present value calculation, again you get $100,000. So that's how we calculate the bonds price when the coupon rate equals to the market rate. We call it issued at par. Thank you for watching.